This is the second video on the creation of the gear with a 5.5 inch pitch diameter, and so if we look at, I've created two circles here and then two construction circles. The addendum is out at the top land of the teeth, and the dedendum will be down at the bottom land. Then we have also the pitch circle and the base circle. The base circle is what we use to create the involute. And then you can also see I've added 11 points here. Right, so 11 points starting from just outside the base circle. So there's 11 points, and then as you learned from when you created the wing, you can name these X1 through X11, and then the same thing over here. We have Y1 through Y11 for the dimensions for those these points. Next thing I'm going to do actually is put in a construction line that will go from the center out to the dedendum circle, snapping at that quadrant. Okay, and then because the base circle for this particular gear is large, has a larger diameter than the dedendum circle, we have to put a radial line. The involute curve doesn't start until you get to the base circle, so we'll go ahead and put in a radial line that goes from that point out to the base circle. Okay, and we're going to create a design table, and then we'll be able to put in a spline that goes from this radial line out to this point. So to create a design table, we'll just select Insert. Whoops, we have to get out of the sketch first. Note that the sketch was fully defined, and we'll insert our design table, and we'll just take the defaults on that. And these are the dimensions that have been put in. Note that it creates the design table in the order in which the dimensions were created. So again, you want to make it easy on yourself. If you want pitch diameter to be first, then just create that one first, and so on. So we want to select all these. I'll pick the top one, scroll down, hold down the Shift key, and pick that one. So the design table has been created. I personally like to work in the regular Excel sheet open in a separate window. So I'm just going to click outside of this and then go to the Configuration Manager and right click on Design Table, Edit Table, and New Window. And usually get this box and just say OK on that. And so now we have created this design table. I'll just make that a little bigger. And so there's Y11. Make sure these are all in order, and so on. And then X11 through X1, all the way down to the pitch diameter, addendum, dedendum, base circle, and so on. So I'm going to create a little table here first with the diametral pitch and pressure angle. And the diametral pitch for this gear, of course, is 6, and the pressure angle is 20 degrees.